Okay, so good morning class. We are today multiplying a 3-digit number. There's a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. There's my 1-digit number using the formal written method. Okay, so you'll see how simple it is if you follow the simple rules. There might be elements of regrouping. Now regrouping, we did a lot of that in addition, where if this number went over 10 in our columns, we had to kind of then regroup, didn't we? Okay, hopefully you remember that we were writing numbers underneath the doorstep, and we had to make sure that we add that number on to the answer. Okay, so that's all this is. Okay, you're going to regroup because some of these answers will be over 10, might be over 100. Okay, and you can't write 100 in this box. You have to kind of use the regrouping method. I'll show you what to do, and if there's any questions, we can talk about it next week. Okay, so remember there is going to be elements of regrouping. I should imagine the regrouping might be happening in the tens column. Okay, so you're going to go over 100, which means you need to regroup and put any number over 100 in the hundreds kind of column underneath the doorstep. Right, let's just simply go through this. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, 4 times 3 is 12. So look what I do, 12. 2 goes there, and the 1 that makes the 12 goes under the hundreds column. Okay, then I simply go 3 times 3 is 9, and I add on my regrouping number, which is 10. Okay, and I'm just going to cross it off to make sure I've added on. Okay, that's as simple as it is. Okay, 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. You write your 12 as a 2 and a 1 in the 100s column because that's the number you're going to regroup. 3 times 3 is 9. Add on the 1, 10. Okay, that is the answer to that question. That's how efficient and how simple regrouping when we're using the formal written method is. Okay, we'll do one more just to show you how simple it is. Okay, 2 times 3, 6. Hope you're all happy with that. 5 times 3 now is 15. So I'll put my 5 in my tens column and I'll carry my 1 over to the hundreds column. Look where I put it. 6 times 3, okay, so 6 times 3 is 6, 12, 18, plus 1 is 19. Okay, 1,956. Okay, the last answer you write in full. Okay, that's what you need to remember. So it was 18 plus 1 makes 19. So the last number, when you're multiplying it, okay, you write out in full. So that was 3 times 3, which was 9, and then we added the 1 to make 10. This is 6 times 3, which is 18, plus the 1 that we regrouped makes 19. Okay, that's what you need to remember. So the tens, you're going to regroup, okay, but the hundreds column, you simply write out the full answer. So 6 times 3 was 18, 18 plus 1 is 19, 3 times 3 was 9, add 1 is 10. So the last digit you write, or the final answer you write, is the final answer. Okay, simple. Have a go at that. Simply regrouping in the tens column. You never know, tomorrow we might get some regrouping in the ones and the tens, which is a bit more complicated. Okay, but it's the same process. Okay, have a go at that. Best of luck. You can always check your answers with a calculator. Okay, so if you've got an answer, grab a calculator, most mobile phones have it, times the answer together and see if you got it right. If you got it wrong, have another look at it where you went wrong. Okay, sometimes looking at your mistakes actually helps you when it comes to answering these questions. So by all means check it with a calculator to check that you've got the right answer. Okay, best of luck.